I am back home. This is gonna be a little disclaimer. Actually, I'm gonna do my video a little backwards today because of this. So I'm gonna show you the haul of what I purchased, and then I'm gonna show you the clips of me shopping at Home Depot and Lowe's. And I'm going to warn you, this is the disclaimer, that I am very excited in my video. So forgive my excitement, or get excited with me, whatever you would like, but don't judge me. Anyways, I'm in my bathroom. Well, this is the girls' bathroom right here. I redid this. I need to get some glass to put this in so it could look prettier. But look, there's some fake succulents there. Anyways, I digress. So here's the haul, guys. Here is what I bought from my little stops. Did I buy anything from Home Depot? Darn it. You know what? Yeah, I don't think I bought anything at any Home Depots. Everything was bought at Lowe's. I stopped at Home Depot, but I didn't purchase at. I purchased at Lowe's, and let me tell you, you'll see in the clips, those Lowe's and Home Depots over there were crazy. I hope that is just an example of what I might find at my Home Depot and Lowe's soon. But yeah, they were packed. I have a Lazy Susan. I've been wanting one for quite a while, but I kept forgetting about it or putting it off. And finally, I'm like, yes. Emma, watching Emma's video reminded me of how much I need one. I'm like, yes, I need one. So here it is, and I can turn the plant completely around. Let me show you a close-up of this on the beautiful spines of this euphorbia. How pretty is that? And it's got a little bit of milky stuff right there because it poked itself. It's so tight that when I move it, it pokes itself. So, yeah, this was $10. So that was $10, and that's from Altman's. All the plants that I purchased are from Altman's. And I believe that they did go up in price, and I do show that on my video. And then the next one I got was this beauty. At the first Lowe's, they had these, but they didn't look as good as this one. And it did not have these marks until the young lady put this in the bag with my plant. And I'm like, no. So yeah, I poked it, but she'll be fine. So yeah, this one was $4.48. The Mimi Cry plant, but this is the Royal Flush, not the green one that I already have. And I did recently lose one. I only had two. Recently lost one, but I can't explain why, because they're both in the same medium and the same pot. So they had the same soil, same pot. They were potted at the same time. They were watered at the same time, but one rotted out, got fungus, and the other one didn't. So I have no idea. And supposedly right now is a good time to water, so I'm just confused by all that. I'm loving the lighting in here, right? And then the sun is starting to set, and so there's light coming in here, so it's really good. Then I got this beauty, never seen it before. This is the name, not even gonna try to pronounce that. I just really liked how it looks. And it says that it's native to South Africa. Mounds of green leaves with intense magenta flowers. That's cool. Blooms in spring and summer. You know, many times I get so excited that I don't even read the label. I'll look for the name, but I don't read more into the label, so I need to do that more often. This one, it says, let me see if it says, Royal Flush has a deep rose flower with a white center. So that's cool. I don't think, and then the last one that I got is, I can't explain why this one was on clearance because there's nothing wrong with it. I just think that maybe because they got a whole bunch of new plants, they try to move this one. But there's nothing wrong with it, and for $1, I couldn't leave it. Let me see if I can peel the sticker so I can read the name on that one. Sticker pulled off the name, but I know it starts with N-O-T because that's what I can make out, and then the rest of the name is this. So I can probably Google it. It says that it's from South America. Very attractive with dense cinnamon. Is that an I? Spination and what I can't read all that because bright lemon flowers. Ooh, nice. I can't wait to see that flower. Okay, so this is what I got, guys. And then this I got at Big Lots. I knew to get it there because during Christmas time I did see one with the car, the little truck, and of course I loved it, but since I was going to be using it all the time, I didn't want to get one with the truck. This one's really cute. It says Simply Blessed, so it's perfect. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul, and I hope you enjoy the quick stops that I made at the store. And I'm so thankful to my husband because he just treated me and said, let's go ahead and do this. So that was exciting. So okay, guys, without further ado, here's the clips, and have a blessed day, guys. Bye. I can already see a bunch of nice plants. So I'm over here an hour away from my house, and I was passing by a Lowe's, and I told my husband, can we stop? And oh my goodness, I'm so happy we stopped. Look at those. What am I gonna get? I don't know. So many beautiful things. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. So many here. This one is a nice one. Very nice. I hate the flowers, but super nice. I'm gonna be quick because I told my husband that I was gonna be real quick because he's waiting for me out there, guys. But I just wanted to show you. Look at this Lowe's. It's crazy what an hour of difference can do. This is closer to Miami. Look at that. Look at how beautiful these arrangements are. Look at these. Beautiful. You could just pop it into a pot. So pretty. So many great things to choose from. Oh, look at this whole orchid. I don't have that. Guys, I'm sorry. My excitement is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. So nice. Look at the jelly beans. Where are they? I just saw them. Oh, right here. So cool. What else? Oh, so many bees. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pick some stuff out and then I'll show you later what I got. But look at all these. Look, and they have pearls here, which I normally don't find. Wow. This one is a nice one. Okay, let me choose something. I'll show you later what I got pressed. But what we saw, we decided to stop on a couple more on the way home. And this this is Home Depot. And look at all the goodies. Look at that tray of goodness. I purposely left my wallet in the car so I won't be tempted. Those are so nice. Look at that. This is Cressula Candy Cane. So cute. Make a Christmas arrangement with that. Yeah, Black Prince. This one I think is a chroma. I'm not sure. It just says a Terraria. It doesn't say. Very nice. And look, they just got some in. Look at that. Wow. This is when you want to get them, when they're freshly in. Look at these. These are Dusty. I think these are Dusty Rose. Yeah, it's Rare Dusty Rose. And look, these are more money. This one is $13. It's a 12-inch pot, I guess. Let me compare because I don't understand. So it really depends. Now I guess they're doing it by the size because this is the same size pot and this one is $8. They used to not do that. This used to be $7. So, what's going on? Look, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, wait. Let me show you. Do you see that? Do you see the wave of succulents? Whoa. Man, I'm gonna have to check the one by my house. My goodness. Wow. Holy Toledo. Let's see how much this one is. Yeah, $13. Used to be $8. Look at that. This is a mist. A lilac mist. I'm saying it wrong. Hold on. Sidereria lilac mist. Yeah? What is that? Look at that big Ecoboides. $19. Wow. Yep, it's an Ecoboides. Look at that right here. So nice. Oh my gosh. That's a beauty right there. What is this? Never seen this before. And it doesn't have a name. Oh my gosh. I love this one. So cool looking. This is $19 though. And then here we go. See? Same size as the other one. These are $8. Look, this is the one I have at my house. The purple one. But this one is growing a little thicker. But hold on. It's not showing up. See, it's a Graptopedilum. This is not super bum. Maybe, oh, okay, so it's Graptopedilum pentendrum super bum. I guess it's a type of super bum. Let me come over here. Look at these arrangements. So pretty. These are $25 and totally worth it. They compact with plants. Look at this. Yeah, these are the same exact ones that I have in the front porch in that pot. They just grow a little differently. I guess because they're not in full sun, but this is the same exact thing. Look at this arrangement, $100. Super nice. And look at these. Look at these Fatty McFatties. So nice. Back to Pedal Mawasaki. Very nice. And these, my fave, California Sunset. Super nice. And what are these? Rectoberia Bella. Those are nice. I don't have that. I left my wallet on purpose. Oh my gosh. So nice. But I need to take a break because I ordered some stuff that's coming. Look at this arrangement, guys. Look at this box. I love this thing. Like, I like how big it is. It reminds me of something you would see in the ocean in a reef. And look at this beauty right here. Wow. I think that's a variegated version. I like that. That's really nice. And here we have these. Okay, I'm gonna go to another Lowe's that's nearby and I'll check you over there, guys. Okay, so here I am now at the other Lowe's. Look at these. So, this is California Sunset and that's Firestorm, I think. And this is Alpenglow, I believe. Look at all those. Look, it looks like candy. Look at these. I lost these. I lost mine. Maybe I'll get them. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll get those. We'll see. I'm really trying to grow my cactus collection. Oh, my domino. She looks so sad. I don't know if I should get a new one. Because it just looks really, really bad, my domino. Look at these. It looks so nice. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me show you what I'm looking at. Look at all those right in there. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh, if only I can find baby toes. That would be cool. So look, they have donkey tails. They have all kinds of nice plants. Wow. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is that? Oh, hold on. I can't get it out. I have a small version of this at home. Oh, I feel bad for this one. What happened to you? Much better. That's an agavoides that was full of dirt. Oh, soil, my bad. Look, they didn't even fix them. Look, these are all full of soil. They didn't even fix them. I can't sit here and fix all of them. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Torch cactus, it says. This one is cracked though. Look at that one. Those are nice and big. These are big. Those are $20. This one is a type of euphorbia. It says euphorbia and terophora. Yep. Look at that. Agave. And more unique plants over here. Look at these lithobs. These are different color than the one I have at home. I don't know if I should get one. I have some already, but I don't know if I should get some. I'm trying to just stick to, you know, things that I don't have, like this purple one right here. I don't have this one. What? $4.48. Look at this. How nice are those? Look, more pearls. So nice. These arrangements. So pretty. Oh, look at this one. That's cool. I like that. It's pretty nice. Let me see how much it is. Looks like a little picture frame. It is $13. Not bad. It's pretty. It's pretty big. It's really pretty. And then these look like they need help. I wonder if this is their clearance. I'm not sure. This is thrown over here, so I'm not sure what this is. I'm wondering. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's nice. Very nice. Very pretty. And then they have some over here. Yeah, these are things over here. This was $1. That plant right there. Oh, look, they have dollar plants here. Really? Anything that I might want for $1? That's $1. Should I get it just because it's $1? And that's it. Nothing else. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go. See you later.